Good morning, this is I Can See Clearly Now. I'm using the version in the second Wukulele book on page 11. It's in the key of D. I think we'll use the calypso strum for this one. Okay, most of the time we will anyway. Till we get to the end of the middle eight. It's actually called the chorus in the book, but it's a middle eight. And you have a couple of quite rare chords, a C sharp minor here, and a B minor, which is the same shape, but bring it down 2 frets. If you bring it down a further 2 frets, you can see that it's actually based on an A minor chord. So it's really an A minor chord. Instead of using your second finger, put your third on the 4th string, slide it up 2 frets and put a finger down, a first finger, which is replicating the nut there. That becomes the nut. Your finger is the new nut. B minor, and then up 2 more frets. C sharp minor. It's a bit of an awkward change, so bear with me. Let's give it a go from the start of the song. To start, we'll just do the chord of D for 2 bars. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I can see all obstacles in my way. Gone are the dark clouds that had me blind. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. I think I can make it now, the pain has gone. All of the bad feelings have disappeared. Here is the rainbow I've been praying for. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Here we go. Look all around, there's nothing but blue skies. Look straight ahead, nothing but blue I think I can make it now, the pain has gone. And all of the bad feelings have disappeared. I can see clearly now, the drain has gone. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. It's gonna be a bright, bright, sunshiny day. Sorry, I messed up slightly at the end of the chorus, or middle eight as it were. After the second C sharp minor, I should have gone to G, but I went straight to C. The time's still the same, but just sort of hum or play loudly over that mistaken C chord. Goodbye.